What are you going to say?
Happy birthday, Forrest.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rusty. Happy birthday to Barry. Happy birthday to Forrest.
Yeah.
Have a good one, Forrest. Love you.
Wesley.
Wesley.
Happy
You too, Wesley.
birthday to Gizmo. Happy birthday to Auntie Brenda. Happy birthday to Uncle Brenda. Happy birthday for Sid. Sid the gecko.
Sid the gecko.
Sid the gecko.
In their backyard? Is that what you call their gecko?
No, that's what they call their gecko.
Oh.
That's Uncle Brenda's friend. The biggest gecko in the whole world. The biggest.
That big?
He can go from here to here. He can go from my tummy to my chin.
That's pretty big. Okay, say
Bye.
Bye bye. Love you.